So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy a stock on the RBC mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go into your direct investing account, or you can just open up an account as well by going to the bottom right, pressing on more, then scrolling down to where it says open an account. And then going to the bottom, press on investments and go that way. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go into my RBC Direct Investing account. So once you're in the Direct Investing account, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom, press on the yellow button with the arrow, and then press on Place Order. Now once you're on the place order page at the top, you can type in the name or the symbol of the stock you're wanting to buy. So for this example, if you wanted to purchase, I don't know what's a good example, I'll just go to the top here. I will purchase TELUS as an example right here. I'll type in TELUS, ticker symbol T right here. You can go ahead and press on that or whatever stock you're looking to buy. Once that is done, you can go ahead and select the account that you want to buy from, and then go through the process that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy a stock on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.